I start off by cleaning each and every head stud thread with my ARP thread chaser, regardless if I'm installing studs or OEM bolts. Next, I blow out any remaining debris with compressed air. This ensures the threads are clean and ready for the studs. Before installing the studs, I wipe off the block mating surface with brake cleaner and a rag to ensure it's dry and free of oils. Here I apply moly lube to the block side threads of the head studs with a small paintbrush. Install the head studs all the way down, hand tight only. Let's drop on the head gasket. If using an OEM style head gasket, be sure to orientate it so that this tab is on the rear exhaust side. I apply moly lube to the studs washers, underside of the nut heads, as well as the threads. Next up, we can drop in the washers. Flip the head over and clean the mating surface with brake cleaner and a rag. The moly lube usually keeps the washers from falling out. Time to drop on the head. Now we can begin to install the nuts onto the studs. Torque all the nuts in 3 steps, following the torque sequence each time. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and please like, comment, or subscribe and let me know.